Hi guys, it's Paschal here, and I just want to give you a quick video. I've been working all day my computer, and one of the questions I'm getting that is coming rapidly, like a lot of people are asking, is how fast can I get results in this business? Now, a lot of the truth is, a majority of that depends on you, and a lot of factors have to come into place to that. Now, first of all, you have to understand what I will say to you. You have to. It doesn't matter where the products and the things that you sell have their role. They play a role in how fast you get the kind of revenue you want, the kind of money you want. But what you will understand is the mindset behind you approaching it. Let's say, for instance, you want to do Amazon FBA, and you have to sell multiple products. Let's say you're selling a $50 product, and you have to, if you want to make $1,000, you need to sell 20 of those to get $1,000. So you have to figure out how fast, although it will be very quick for you to make those sales, but again, what's the profit margin behind it? What's the profit margin behind it? That's another one. Another way to make money very fast. Someone could go into high ticket sales. This is where you earn $1,000 and above. So you could just make one sale and you get $1,000, and that's it. You don't need to. You just find a perfect client, a perfect prospect for that particular product. Target them. How much are you willing to spend to get that person? Sometimes it's usually around 200 to let's say 150 to 200 to get $1,000 sale. So it's business. Like most people, like most people would know. You don't expect to make money without investing in it, and most of us have this the other way around. We think we have to give me the $1,000, then I invest. No, the law of sowing and reaping, like I said previously, you have to sow first before you reap, and you don't sow if you don't have faith. There are ways you can make $1,000 and you earn the whole commission by yourself, which is more geared towards free strategy. You don't do paid advertising. So if you're going to come into online space, you're basically going to, whether you're doing Amazon affiliate marketing consulting, you have to find a way to get your products out there for people to consume. So there's only two ways. I know. I don't know any other way. Two ways. Okay, maybe three, but the third one is not effective. It's effective. It has been working, but it's not scalable. That's like by word of mouth. Talking to people. That's a no for me. I don't know how to. I've not done that in my business. So that's like a no for me. So the second way is free strategy, where you're constantly posting things online through free means, so that search engines pick up your product and start showing it to the relevant people based on tags and keywords. So you have to learn SEO. So this obviously takes longer. It will take you longer than anybody else, anything else. Now, I wasn't that kind of person. I was not prepared to wait. You have to be honest with yourself. Are you patient enough to wait 2 years before you start seeing results? Do you have that patience? Somebody did it in the community. He waited for 2 years to get to 6 figures. So it's more like, but he had other businesses on the side. So that was why he was not like doing this like full time. It's like everybody starts a business online part time. So the other strategy is by paid marketing. That's why you see a lot of ads online. People are trying to get their message out as quickly as possible in front of as many people as possible. And this is like putting petrol in fire. As soon as you put it in there, poof, you start getting leads and sales straight away. That's how paid marketing works. So it depends on the product that you sell and how you approach the business, whether you're going to do paid marketing or free strategy. It all depends on how you approach the business. The decision is yours. Nobody tells you what to do. You make the decision. This is what I want to do. Then you follow the people that have done that. Like I always recommend, go to the people that have done what you want to do and get them to train you in terms of the your ranking, your click-through ratio, your optimizing, how to target specific audience in specific niches, and you can learn all that. But at the end of the decision whether to go through paid or when time to pull the trigger, it's you. So if you don't have that faith, if you don't have that belief, I always talk about that is the very crucial part of the business. You have to believe it first in your product that you're selling in order for people to consume. All right. If you can't use the products that you are selling, then how do you expect someone else to buy it from you? So that's what I want to share with you. How fast can you get results? It's all up to you, governor. You make the decision. It's your business. It's your call. It's your shot. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. You will definitely blow. If you're going through the pay strategy, you will definitely blow some money along the way. But you know what? What would be you think about? Okay, I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna succeed. Let that drive you. I'm gonna build this, and it's gonna work. And as you go through, those learning curves will eventually phase off, and you'll be able to breeze through and get whatever you want. Right? I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Then one final thing before I go, if you're looking to get involved in what I do, I'll leave a link in the description. Go through it. Some of the books I read that help me, because this is not, I don't look at this as just purely online like most people look at it. The books I read, the audios I listen to, they are the reason you succeed. Not just everybody has these trainings, everybody has these products to sell, everybody's selling the same. It's the people that feed their mind with the right information. Those are the people that make it work. So I recommend you to go to the description and grab some of the books I will leave for you there and start consuming them. That will give you like a good head start. Take care now. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.